You know something's wrong when your car starts making sounds you've never heard before. It's even worse if you just bought it. It happened to a Triad man. When the dealership wouldn't take the car back, he called 2 Wants to Know's Kevin Kennedy.
When you're driving down the road, there can be many frustrations. Missing your exit, traffic, or hitting every red light. Another one is that annoying squeal or whistle coming from your car.
Did not know where it was coming from. I had concerns.
Sydney Moore just buying the used Explorer, and already there was a problem.
And I was told that they had to order a part for it, which took approximately 4 to 6 days.
The SUV fixed. As for the noise,
on the way home, I recognized the similar or same noise coming from the underneath the car.
back to the shop it went. This time the transmission transfer case replaced. But again, the noise was still there.
I asked WFMY to step in and see what they could do regarding this issue.
We called the dealership in contact with Ford. 4 weeks would pass. We then asked the dealership if it would simply swap out the SUV.
The general manager was very instrumental in getting involved in making this happen.
This is Sydney's new SUV, loaded with upgrades and the same price as his old one.
This would not have taken place if it was not for WFMY. So I thank WFMY. We're very pleased with it, and I'm just excited that it's all behind us now.
The limited edition upgraded Explorer is exactly what Sydney wanted. Best part? It's quiet when driving. Kevin Kennedy, 2 Wants to Know.